Have you ever noticed that a car can creep along slowly in a parking lot and then zoom super fast on the highway, all without the driver doing anything special? That's because of something amazing hidden inside your car called an automatic transmission. It's like a secret brain that figures out exactly how much power your wheels need. First, let's talk about gears. A gear is a wheel with teeth around its edge. When two gears connect and mesh together, they spin as a team. But here's the really cool part. If a small gear turns a big gear, it creates more pushing power, but less speed. And if a big gear turns a small gear, you get more speed, but less pushing power. This trade-off is the key to everything. Your car's engine spins incredibly fast, thousands of times every single minute. But your wheels don't always need to spin that fast. The transmission is like a middleman sitting right between the engine and the wheels. Its whole job is to take the engine's spinning power and adjust it, sometimes giving the wheels more force and sometimes giving them more speed, so your wheels get exactly what they need. Think of it like riding a bicycle that has multiple gears. When you're in a low gear, pedaling feels easy, but you move slowly. That's perfect for climbing steep hills. When you switch to a high gear, pedaling is harder, but you fly along fast, perfect for cruising on flat roads. A car's transmission works on the same basic idea, switching between different gears depending on the situation. Now here's what makes an automatic transmission so special. It shifts gears all by itself without the driver having to do a thing. At the very heart of the system is something called a torque converter. It's a round, donut-shaped device filled with a special thick fluid called transmission fluid. And instead of connecting the engine to the transmission with solid parts that touch, it uses swirling liquid to transfer the power. How cool is that? Here's an easy way to picture it. Imagine two fans facing each other inside a sealed container. If you turn one fan on, the blowing air starts spinning the other fan too, even though the two fans never actually touch. A torque converter works exactly the same way, except instead of air, it uses thick transmission fluid. The engine spins one side of the torque converter, and the swirling fluid pushes the other side, which then spins the transmission gears. Inside the automatic transmission, there are special sets of gears called planetary gears. They got that awesome name because they actually look like planets orbiting around a sun. There's a small sun gear right in the center, several planet gears that rotate around it, just like Earth orbits the sun, and a big ring gear that wraps around the entire outside. By locking or unlocking different parts of this system, the transmission can create different gear ratios, switching between more power and more speed. So who actually decides when to shift gears? The car's onboard computer does. It's constantly monitoring how fast you're going, how hard you're pressing the gas pedal, and even whether you're driving uphill or downhill. Based on all that information, it tells the transmission exactly which gear to switch to. It does this by controlling special valves inside something called a valve body, which directs transmission fluid to lock or unlock specific parts of those planetary gears. It all happens in a split second. Here's what it all looks like in action. When you start moving from a complete stop, the transmission picks first gear, which gives the car lots of pushing power to get all that heavy metal rolling. As you speed up, it smoothly shifts to second gear, then third, then fourth, and even higher gears. Each shift trades a little pushing power for more speed, and the engine doesn't have to work as hard. If you pay close attention next time you're in a car, you might feel a tiny little bump or pause during each shift. That's the gears changing inside the transmission. So the next time you're riding in a car, remember, right beneath your feet, there's an incredible system of swirling fluid in a torque converter, cleverly arranged planetary gears, and a super smart computer all working together to make every single drive smooth and easy. You don't see it, but it's always there, shifting away. Engineering is hiding everywhere around us, and now you know one of its coolest secrets. What other hidden machines will you discover next?